The holiday season is in full swing, and here to help us navigate through it is trend expert Justine Santaniello.
Hi, I've partnered with some of my favorite brands for your Holiday 101. Burlington is your toy headquarters. They have new items arriving weekly, plus everything is up to 60% off other retailers' prices every day. And through January 20th, you can donate your coats and receive 10% off your entire purchase. I love Save Me From's Despair Hair Kit. The masks are formulated to save your hair and scalp. It reduces split ends while increasing strength, hydration, and shine. Plus, they make a difference by donating to organizations that help save people in real crisis. Daily Harvest is the perfect present. They deliver delicious, healthy foods right to your door. Plus, their recipes take only one step to prep and are ready in minutes, making it easy to eat organic fruits and veggies every day. You can gift a box or build a custom plan. I'm also a big fan of the My Packs from Nutrilite. They allow you to take your supplements on the go. Plus, the ingredients are sourced from organic farms, and Nutrilite makes sure to trace all its botanical ingredients so you know what you're putting in your body. Now, you don't want to forget your skin. Here we have the Olay Retinol 24 Night Collection. It comes with a moisturizer, serum, and eye cream. It's designed in 3 forms to make it easy to incorporate into your routine. You get hydration for 24 hours and a noticeable transformation in 28 days. Also, don't forget your lips. Here we have the Nivea Moisture Lip Care. It gives you that long-lasting, all-day moisture to leave lips soft and smooth-looking. It hydrates your lips with ingredients like shea butter, jojoba oil, and provitamin B5. Finally, for holiday entertaining, I love the Idaho and buttery home-style mashed potatoes. It allows me to get those delicious real mashed potatoes on the table in 5 minutes. They take 100% real Idaho potatoes from local growers, wash, peel, boil, and mash them. Then after cooking each batch from scratch, they fresh dry them so they're all ready for you to prepare. Happy holidays!